What's your name, sir?
Eugene, man.
Eugene. How you doing, Eugene?
I'm cool.
What you think? How'd everything turn out?
Everything turned out fine. I like what you did. You do good work.
I know we had some issues at the start, but guess what?
Yeah.
We got it done.
You both satisfied, that's all that matters.
Are you satisfied 100%?
Yep.
Okay. Let's take a look at the yard and see what we did. We did a landscape retaining wall. We did some mulch in front of that with some edging. With some Colorado wildflowers.
Yep.
And we went ahead and went around the entire perimeter of Eugene's yard.
You still got to get that off.
We've got some beautiful flowers out here. And Eugene and I are 100% satisfied with everything.
Oh, yeah.
This is Ken Garcia with KenG Fence here in Denver, Colorado. 720-431-0927. Anything you want to say to Tony and his group? Tony, we really appreciate you and your group, and your fellas.
Oh, you did a great job, man. So just keep up the good work wherever you go.
You guys are the A-team out here in Aurora from now on. You proved it again. Once again, we sure appreciate you.
All right.
Over and out.
Later.
10-4. Over and out.